Got some in scale.
Now the great thing is you'll see that in between all of them there's no rail joiner. You don't need it. So.
Oh, sorry.
Are you all right?
We are, but you have to really
Both tires together. Cross case.
That's the church.
Yeah.
We set up there.
Yeah, screwed it up.
I'm going up here by the engine.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, right.
See anything?
I know you're gonna eat barbecue sometime.
You see that oil fountain?
Yeah, I want that.
Yeah, everybody almost is somebody that's in the railroad business. Oh, yeah. My husband's grandfather was so I'm just saying, you know, and then they want to collect the line from wherever they came from. I mean, this is interesting. Oh, yeah. All kinds of things people are
That's
interested in.
DP20.
Well, people grow sometimes. Yeah, you do. We're planning on being here next year. Okay. Well, good. The other thing we want to do, that's, I'd like to be able to tell them, what would I do?
Turn this way, sweetie. Go stand right there. You look right at it.
Hey, look at it right here. Look. Oh no, it's gonna hit me. Hey, Katie, look over here. It's gonna hit me. Yeah, that's a pretty cool view for a 3-year-old.
Yeah, that's a good.
That is a really good view.
That's a good view.
Come here, Katie. Over here. Guess what? It's got a caboose.
I'm just trying to go fast. I'm going to
Because my ancestry, how about this? Germany, they did something like that. No, I can be with. We're going to do something. They were in the market. They were fishing Kentucky.
Good, how about you?
Get me in the picture. So that's why model railroaders buy every kind of. They don't care what if you're modeling TNT, you want a lot of TNT equipment, but you'll buy anything if you like to look at it. The only thing that would hamstring me a little bit was the date. Like you're modeling in 40, you want to buy that stuff that was due in the 60s to 70s. You know, unless you're real curious, you like the car.
Running the generator. Get the people in.
Oh, I'm really tall when I get up there. Oh,
She's 16 months.
wow, 16.
Not a big girl. Ooh, what's up there? So much landscape.
That's how you get out. Well, you may be a little small, push that door open. It's probably a good idea.
It tells the story of this, but it also shows a lot of what is going to be. Come on. Obviously, we're going to do the video.
Here's one end.
Like the board?
What was the best thing? What did you like?